Marposs, what we are showcasing Marposs Care as a product, service product. Basically, we want to take care of our equipment at customer end, which can be maintained by our service engineers.
So you spoke about care and maintenance. Could you please elaborate on that point?
Yeah, we have four categories in Marposs Care. One is preventive maintenance, the other one is training, the third one is calibration, and fourth one is process control. Right? In each category, we can maintain our equipment in a different way. Like preventive maintenance, we can do a contract with customers, and periodically our service engineers visit the customers and maintain our equipment. In calibration, periodically the requirement of our equipment for calibration is requested by the customers. So we are doing calibration of our equipment regularly, and this is for audit purpose. The third one is training. We are focusing on training of our equipment to the customers so that they can maintain sometimes our equipment in case of breakdowns, and they can help the production team to keep the equipment running. And the process control, in process control we are helping the customers reduce the rejection to maintain the true life. This is what we are doing.
You spoke about training and skill development.
Yeah.
Could you tell us more on that?
In training, actually, we are giving more training to our engineers, service engineers. Internally, we have a scheduled training schedule, and in which we are maintaining different equipments, and we are also deputing our engineers outside where we have different manufacturers. They can get different trainings on those equipment, and we can grab this opportunity to help the customers to maintain the equipment.